Hi, I'm Jess from Cook with Jess, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a non-cooked tomato pasta sauce. Now, if you don't already know how to make pasta from scratch, you can click up here to watch a video on how to. Now, before you get started, make sure you've washed your hands for 20 seconds. For this recipe, you will need 6 large ripe tomatoes. I am going to be using 4 with 1 big handful of cherry tomatoes, 4 sprigs of basil, 1 large garlic clove, extra virgin olive oil for drizzling, seasoning, salt and pepper, and Parmesan cheese for grating. Okay, so first of all, you need to take your tomatoes and roughly chop them. So that's the last of the tomato, and now I am going to take your large garlic clove. You need to peel that and finely chop it. Add that to your tomatoes. Now tear off your basil leaves from the stalk and you just tear them to small pieces. Add those in. Okay, so now mix all your ingredients together. Okay, so now grab your pasta and just toss some of your tomato sauce into your pasta. This serves 2. Now season it with some salt and pepper. Now grate some Parmesan cheese. Drizzle with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And there you have it. Your super easy non-cooked tomato sauce. Delicious. Follow us on Instagram at secular_productions and subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on that post notification bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. Give this video a big thumbs up and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!